Today we are going to learn about second gear, some of the tips, and also very important thing, how to turn this car. If you are a beginner turning the car, you may think it is difficult, but I am going to step by step explain you how to easily turn this car. Very important thing is, please don't even try it in your street roads, because sometimes the car will get off the sidewalk and there are chances the car will even topple upside down. Please try it only in the open ground. If you are a beginner, until you are very expertised with car driving, don't do anything in road or anywhere the people are around. Press the clutch fully, out, top. This is the first gear. When you are going to switch to the second gear, very important thing you have to know is, some people pull it down straightly. Never do this. It will torsion the gearbox. It will cost you money and waste of time. You cannot drive for a certain number of days till the mechanic repairs it. Just drive the car with little style, guys. See, if it is in the first gear, if you're going to bring it to the second gear while driving, you should not see this gear. You should always have your eyes focused and fixed only on the road. And constant practice, you will be able to switch the gears without seeing. But anyways, bring it to neutral, out, down. This is the second gear. This is how we should put the second gear. Not drag it straightly, but bring it to neutral, out, second gear. So this you can do without taking hand. Is 1, 2, 3. This is how we have to switch to the second gear. And also when you are switching to the third gear, 1, 2, the top. So if you don't know about the gears, I've explained in the previous videos, you will know. Okay. And one very important thing is, after second gear, whenever you are driving in third gear in your life, you will be under the control of the car. Till second gear, car will be under our control. So please remember this. Please focus on the road. Please drive carefully. Please drive safely. And let me show you how to turn this car. For example, guys, I brought the car to this rough terrain and I am going to turn this car now. Okay. Now, very easy way to turn this car for the beginners to learn in the open ground. If you are doing, just always turn the car entire lifetime. Even you become an expert, turn the car only in the first gear. Say for example, you are driving at fast of 5th gear. When the turn comes, you should switch it back to the first gear, because you should turn very, very slowly. Before you turn, press the horn twice. Then put the right indicator. Never forget this. Okay. And remember, guys, you should follow all the rules which I said earlier, wearing the seat belt, everything. Now in the first gear, when we are turning the car, when you are learning to turn the car, now remember, release the clutch. The car will start moving. You can see this car is starting to move, right? If it is going in the wrong direction, which is now happening, it is going off the road, what you do is, switch it back to neutral, put the reverse gear, and make sure that nobody is behind you, and take the reverse of the car very, very slowly. So once you turn in this direction, the car actually moves. And then what happens? Put it back to the first gear, put the right indicator, then little. Turn the steering to little distance and see which direction it goes. If it is going good, okay. Turn it more and the car will turn. Clutch, brake. Turn it more, the car will turn. Clutch, brake. This is how you should learn driving the turn. Make sure this is more like this open terrain. Okay. And then practice your turning of the car. After 3 days, you will definitely know how to turn the car with proper distance and acceleration. Okay. Good luck, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.